Well, he has said it all. I just want to encourage each and every one of you that banking money in the bank is just a waste of time and energy right now. The best investment is in real estate, and this is the best thing you can do for yourself in order to secure your future. If you don't want to be stranded financially tomorrow, please make that sacrifice by investing in real estate. And speaking from experience, I am saying all these things because of the love I have for you. Of course, you know that information is the greatest asset. I've given you the best secret, and I know that you will love it and appreciate it too. Thank you.
You don't hear and finish from the Madam of Mercy Divine Properties. And to get a plot right here at GRA Phase 2 is to call Madam Peku Africa on 090342965119. And once you get your allocation, you can decide to do whatever it is you need to do on your land. As you can see, this is beacon here in this layout. There's enough plot for you because we love you. Now they say make you can't get your own plot. You understand? So this particular property is located just off Odili Road in Port-Harcourt, River State. It has a lot of access routes from here to Port-Harcourt Refinery.